In this lecture, we will learn about arrays in JavaScript. Arrays in JavaScript are very similar to lists in Python. As we go through these examples, I'm sure you will notice many of the similarities. First, let's create an array that contains three elements, 0, 1, and 2. We can use the sort method in JavaScript to sort the array in ascending numerical order. Let's call the sort method on the array we just created. Then we will output array1 to the console to see the order of its values. We can use the pop method to remove the last value from the array. Then let's print the array to the console to see the result. You will notice that the last element in our array, 2 in this case, was removed from the array as a result of using the pop method. The length property lets us obtain the length of an array. Let's use the length property and output the value to the console. As you can see, the length of our array is 2. The push method allows us to add an element onto the end of an array. We will use the push method to add 3 to the end of our array. Then we will log array1 to the console to see that it now contains a 3 on the end of it. Let's create a second array. I will call it array2 and give it 2 elements, 4 and 5. The concat method allows us to join 2 arrays together. Let's create another array and call it array3. This array will contain array1 and array2 joined together using the concat method. Let's log array3 to the console. As you can see, it contains all the elements in array1 and all of the elements in array2. Note that an array in JavaScript can contain more than one type of value. An array can have strings, integers, and even other arrays inside of it, as illustrated in this example. In the next lecture, we will learn about JavaScript objects.